Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Auto Heroes Strategy Edition game crashing or not launching, not loading, showing black screen or lagging issue on Android phone. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your phone. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Now once your phone restarts, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game, and after that try to open the game once again and check. If not, you are suggested to clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Once done, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If not, you should also check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store and the search option, search for Auto Heroes Strategy, and after that, here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to your phone settings. After that, go below, click on the system update, and here you will find if there is any update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If everything fails, then the last option left is to reinstall the game once again. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So once the game is uninstalled, again go to the Google Play Store, and in the search option you have to search for the game, that is Auto Heroes Strategy, and simply open it. And after that, here you have to click on install option, and once the game is installed, now try to play the game and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.